Today, let us try to understand about what is inflation, what are the types of inflation, how inflation is measured, causes of inflation through this video. According to Suze Orman, cash in savings accounts, short-term CDs or money market deposits is great for an emergency fund. But to fulfill a long-term investment goal like funding your retirement, consider buying stocks. The more distant your financial target, the longer inflation will gnaw at the purchasing power of your money. Before we go in,
please subscribe for more videos. Click the bell icon for updates.
What is inflation? Inflation is an economic term that refers to the rate at which the prices of the goods and services of daily or common use such as food, clothing, housing rise. As general prices rise, the purchasing power of consumer decreases. This also means that the purchasing power of the currency is falling. As the price rises, a single unit of currency loses value as it buys fewer goods and services. This loss of purchasing power impacts the cost of living of the common public, which ultimately leads to the deceleration of the economic growth. For example, the prices for many consumer goods have increased and almost doubled than that of 20 years ago. The opposite of inflation is the decrease in price, which is referred to as deflation, which occurs when the inflation rate falls below 0%. What are the types of inflation? Depending on the causes, inflation is classified into three types. Number 1, demand, pull inflation. Number 2, cost, push inflation. Number 3, built in inflation. Let us look into one by one. Number 1, demand, pull inflation. It occurs when the overall demand for the goods and services in an economy increases more rapidly than the economy's production capacity. With higher demand and lower supply, it creates a demand-supply gap which results in higher prices. It occurs when the economic growth is too fast. For example, after the year 2008 financial crisis, asset inflation occurred in the oil and gold prices. Deflation occurred in the housing and personal income. The demand pull inflation in gold continued until it hit a record. Number 2, cost push inflation. It arises due to increase in the prices of production process inputs. For example, increase in the labor cost for the manufacturing of the product or increase in the cost of the raw material. Number 3, built-in inflation. Expectation of the future inflation causes built-in inflation. For example, when the prices of goods and services increases, workers expect raise in wages or demands raise in wages to maintain their cost of living. Now let's look into how is inflation measured. In India, it is measured by two main indices, WPI, Wholesale Price Index, and CPI, Consumer Price Index, which measure wholesale and retail level price changes respectively. The CPI calculates the difference in the price of commodities and services such as food, medical care, education, electronics, etc., which consumers buy for their use. The goods or services sold by business to smaller businesses for further selling is calculated by the WPI, but mostly CPI is used to calculate the inflation. For example, the price of the book in the year 1 is 10 and the price of the book increased to 10.50 in the year 2. Inflation is calculated as 10.50 minus 10 divided by 10 into 100, which is equal to 5%. What are the main causes of inflation? The main causes of inflation in India have been subject to considerable debate and discussion. There are some of the important reasons for the increases in price. Number 1. High demand and low production or supply of multiple commodities create a demand-supply gap, which leads to hike in prices. Number 2. Excess circulation of money leads to inflation as money loses its purchasing value. Number 3. With people having more money, they tend to spend more, which causes increased demand, leading to inflation. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video and do share.